In this video, I will show you how to add and place two videos on one screen using CapCut InShot or any editing software. This is a really useful technique that allows both videos to play simultaneously. I will select new project and choose the first video I want to use. Once selected, I will press Add to import it. Scroll along the bottom menu and select aspect ratio by clicking on the canvas or aspect ratio option. Choose 19:16 and press the check mark. Next, select the video in the timeline, then use the video preview to adjust its size. Pinch to make it slightly larger and drag it down to the position at the bottom. Choose the second video you want to add and press add to import it. You will likely need to crop and adjust the second video. Pinch to resize it and drag it to the top of the screen. To ensure both videos start at the same time, tap and hold the second video, then drag it to align with the start of the first video. That's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.